Everything just feels like a test. I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are going to be touring this site of nature, and this place is called Lufasi Park. Lufasi Park is located somewhere in Ibeju around Majek bus stop. Landmark is ShopRite Shongotedo, so you can find Lufasi Park around that area. It's the Lekki Efe Expressway. You will find Lufasi Park there, and it's a really nice site of nature. Come with me, let's tour the site together.
Something deep inside won't let me quit.
So what's this site called? Ant Hill. So this is called Ant Hill. Why is it called Ant Hill? Oh, wow. You're supposed to have a tour guide though. So, hi guys, we're in Lufasi Park. Rather, I'm in Lufasi Park and I'm trying to tour this place, like go on a tour inside Lufasi Park.
Patterns monkey. Okay, so this very one, they are very fastest running primates. They're fast to everything they do, jumping, eating. So we call this very one Sonia. Can you say hi, Sonia?
Hi, Sonia.
So this is Sonia. You see that one over there? Yeah. That one is Muna monkey.
Muna monkey.
Yeah, so we call that one Akila. Can you say hi, Akila?
Hi, Akila.
Okay, so do you see that one over there? See that baby there? So that baby called Valley. No. Unless it's red cap magabe. Yes. Unless it's a baboon family. Yes. Unless is a very stubborn one. Alex love fighting so much. Does anyone want to fight with Alex?
No.
Okay, so Alex is a jealous monkey. He doesn't like seeing man and woman together.
Wonderful.
He gets angry when he see that.
Wow.
So because he's supposed to have a lady, or he doesn't have the woman again, the lady divorced him. So that's why Alex gets angry when he see man and woman together. He's not romantic, so that's why the lady does. They're not romantic. Yeah. So is there anybody want to try and see what he can do?
This park serves as an animal sanctuary and forest conservation. Research can be done in here. Nature lovers as well would be excited.
Come outside now, raise and go pick.
So you know the shaker?
Like, don't be me. I don't like animals.
Go down. Come here. Alex, come here. Come here, Alex. Alex, come. Alex, do you see that?
No, who are very jealous. Very jealous and angry.
Really?
Come on, you want me? Come back, oh yeah, come out. Come on, man.
Hello, Alex. So
this one makeup
is for
artist.
Canada. Yes, this very one is for Canada. Why this one is for China? Then we have a little gun baby, and we have Tina. Then this is Stella, and we have Jagaban over there.
Alpha, my guy. What's up?
Makeup artist. Interesting. So that this very one stay with me for 10 years.
Is it he or she?
Eh?
Is it he or she? Okay, can she make us up?
Yes.
Yeah, now let her come and make us.
And this is Tina. Baby. Don't rice beans, spaghetti, indomie, amala, semo. They drink cold Fanta, they drink malt, they eat shawarma, they eat sweets, they chew chicken.
Are you serious?
Anything at all.
Monkey.
For how long can they live?
Like this very one now, she's 22 years old. So they live the way we live. They live up to 80, 60, 70.
And they won't be bigger than this. They will be bigger than this.
No, when they are mature, they'll be going down. You can shake it, but you can't shake the woman.
You can't shake woman.
No.
Why?
She's a woman.
It's a family-friendly park for both adults and children.
Tiger family is carnivorous. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
So this is civet what? Cat. Civet cat. Civet cat. It's carnivorous. Any animal that is carnivorous can kill.
What's the name?
Civet cat.
Look at the height.
The park is a combination of conservation center, recreational center, and animal shelter. The park has become one of the popular tourist attractions in Lekki. There are lots of things you can do at the park: sightseeing, bird watching, picnic, table tennis, photo shoots, horse riding, and more. A lot happens at this park, so it's a nice recreational center for you to visit. So are you a tourist lover? Are you one looking for where you can just relax, chill with family, friends and loved ones, where you can have fun, where you can just go to? Lufasi Park is one nice nature park you can go to. As you can see, I toured around this park this time around because the first time I went there, I didn't really have the chance to go around this park, and I was so upset because I wanted to see what this park stands for, and I got the opportunity, and of course I said I'm going to take you guys along to see how this park looks like. So there are lots of tourist attractions in Lagos, Nigeria, so this is one of them.
This place is called Lake Nora. Since you guys don't have a tour guide. Oh my god. I was supposed to have a tour guide here.
You're beautiful, Nematomonobi, Iburu Moto, Ibu Jifu, Iburu Rice, Ibu Jalof, Iburata, Inona Site, Imabugomo, some.
So you guys were I'm in Lufasi Park. It's a nature park, and just nature, basically, like nature. You can see trees and all of that. This way to Eki Forest. So should we go? People come here for like recreational activities, and also if you want to do photo shoot, all those kind of things.
Commando. It's like a natural seed. No, they lick it. Yeah.
Bed of Lufasi. Bicycle. Let's go. Okay, where are we going to? Like, I don't know. So what's this? Lufasi price? Eki tree, Lofira, Lata. Have you got there right there? This nature park is big, show. So you guys know I've been here before. Like, I have it on my channel. But I didn't tour around when I came here. So, forest bathing is retreating to nature to immerse in the forest atmosphere, the benefit of the place. So you come and just bathe here. You can bathe here according to them. You can bathe here. Oh, this is really serious. Oops. It's really a long walk, guys. It's really a long walk. This walk is long. Really a long walk. Guys, have you been to Lufasi Park before? So finally we got to another location. I don't even know where we are. We are just walking. Deep water, maximum of 8 persons allowed to be on the grass forever. Wow, this looks beautiful. This just looks so cute. This is nice.
If you've gotten to this point and you're still not subscribed, why? Please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. You know the vibes.